is Margo from Just Living Life YouTube channel. I wanted to come on here and throw in a real quick video for y'all. This is going to be a smoothie shake, real quick, something you can throw together after the end of your fast or in the middle of the day if you need something to help tide you over. Here I have 8 ounces of almond milk, the unsweetened, 1 ounce of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and the magic to it is going to be the fact that you will let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes after you fix it to let those chia seeds really soak. We are going to add two tablespoons of the Great Value powdered peanut butter. This here is going to fill you up and is going to help you feel full for longer, give you your needed fats, and it's going to help you, it's a low calorie, medium low calorie treat. It's healthy for you. It's really good for you. Let's see, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of pumpkin pie, and I took this, I was trying to make my version of the coconut butter. It didn't work as well, but it's coconut that I ground in my mill, really fine, added some water to it, and it has this really soft texture. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that. And then we're going to take everything that's mixed in here, and I am going, instead of a banana, a lot of people suggest using banana for added sweetness. I'm going to use my liquid stevia, a couple squirts of that, and to top it off, I am going to add about, let's see, 2 ounces of strong brewed coffee. That was my coconut, creamed coconut. It's really neat, and it's a really good fat for you. I like the way it blended together. I'm not exactly sure. I guess I'm going to have to try again, because I want to make my own homemade coconut butter. And seen a girl online, and I'll post her link to her video right here that shows how to do the coconut butter, and also another link here that shows you how to do the homemade coconut milk, which when I'm done with my almond milk, that is going to be my next try, and I'm thinking it's going to save me a whole lot of money. Put my grinder in there, and a couple pieces of ice. Just to make it that extra cold, sort of icy type smoothie. And then mix it. 1, 2, 3. And we are done. Sorry about that, y'all. Good look at it. Smells really pumpkiny, and you can smell the coffee in it. It is so good. But like I said, it's going to help break your fast. I'm going to let it sit for anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. I want to let my chia seeds soak. I know that if I want to make it more of a pudding mixture, then I can let it soak overnight and make it a chia pudding, pumpkin spice pudding. Oh, it smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. But I just wanted to bring that to y'all real quick, and I hope you enjoy that. Real quick coffee pumpkin spice smoothie to break your fast. I'll talk to y'all again soon, and I hope y'all have a great day from just living life 1 second, 1 breath, 1 day at a time. Bye for now.